Okay, we're recording the sewer line here at 115 Newell Street. Date's October 13th, 2020. Making this recording from the clean out down in the basement of the home. I am sitting out at the Seattle City main sewer right now that's running up and down Warren Street, which is where this house connects to the main. I'm going to come back from that main point and get a look at this line. So the homeowner of the house here is responsible for this maintenance, repair, replacement of the line up until this point right here. Coming back from here, we'll get a look at the line. So right at the main city tap, there is a massive root down there, just sitting right up against the main. So we are going to zero out the footage here. And this is 6-inch diameter concrete pipe. Could you kick on maybe just a bathroom sink or a kitchen sink, cold water, and just let it run for me, please, Bruce? Good to go?
Yep.
Okay, thank you. It'll take a minute to flow down there, but we can still see it for the most part. That's a large root coming through the top part of the pipe there. Almost looks like it may have busted through the pipe, not through one of the seams. Kind of hard to tell though. Definitely big rootage. Very large root down there. That looks like our 4x6-inch sewer transition. So we're 6-inch diameter there. Usually it's right around the sidewalk point property line that your sewer goes from 4 to a little bit bigger diameter. This would appear to be the point right here. Is this that plastic? Yeah, we're back in that plastic now. So what we'll do here, you can turn the water off probably for a minute here, Bruce. Thank you. I'll pause the video. We're going to go locate this spot down there in the sidewalk. So that's our 4-inch by 6-inch diameter shift.